Hello YouTube, this Skip, coming to you live, straight out of Real Hard Cichlids Aquatic Kennels. In this video, we're going to discuss why you need to understand the Amphilophus cichlid species genetics. Now, in order to keep this video short, I'm going to have to break it down into a series of videos. So let's get started by first understanding what is an Amphilophus. An Amphilophus is a genus of cichlid fish from Central America, ranging from southern Mexico to Panama. The genus currently contains around 23 species according to Wikipedia, but according to my count, it's more closely to about 28. Now, I made similar videos to this one in the past, but this is my 2019 updated version. But before we sink our teeth into this video topic, I would like for you guys to direct your attention to the description area beneath this video, where you will find links to Real Hard Cichlids merchandise such as books, t-shirts, hats, and much more. In addition, I would like for you guys to go to my channel page. Just above the subscribe box, there's a gray box where you can make a small donation to my channel. Every little bit helps and it counts. Thank you. Now that we got that out the way, let's make sure we are on the same page when it comes to what an Amphilophus species is. Like, for example, GM is a car manufacturer that makes different model vehicles, similar to the Amphilophus genus that make different species of fish. So sticking with the car analogy, like the Amphilophus genus have different species, GM have different models. So now that we know what an Amphilophus genus is, let's move forward to what's a species complex. But before some of you guys critique my car analogy, chew on this. A good teacher must always make the subject matter relevant. And since I like cars and fish, heck, why not? Moving on, there are about 3,000 cichlid species, and the Amphilophus genus make up about 28 of them. Species. A species is a group of closely related organisms that are very similar to each other and are usually capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. A species complex is a group of subspecies or variants that are direct descendants of the original species. For example, this red-headed Cichlid is a direct descendant of a bar centralinum, so therefore he's in the centralinum species complex. Right here before you is an example of the centralinum species complex. Here you have a variety of subspecies and variants of that particular complex, excluding the bullhead catfish. So now that we got an understanding of what an Amphilophus genus is and what's a species within the Amphilophus genus is, now we got to talk about speciation. And how did we get to this point that we have all these different variations of one species? Why is it that starting in the early 2000s, we start to classify the different barred variations of the centralinum, or shall I say the Amphilophus centralinum mitis? We just recently started to classify these barred variation species. Why is that? We're going to talk about it in my next video, so you have to stay tuned to part 2 of this series, because I'm going to get into the red-headed Cichlid, I'm going to get into the Amphilophus armadillos, and much more. So with that said, this Skip, I'm out.